Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Hogwarts legacy stuttering easy and quick. If you want to fix it, all you have to do, just click here and then type here game mode, turn it on, go to Xbox game bar, turn it off, go to graphics settings. Now turn this one on and then go back and type here background apps. Turn off this option and then close it. After that, type here view advanced system settings. Now once you're here, go to performance, go to settings, click adjust for best for performance. Now you can just click save if you want it like that, and you can enable those three options if you want, and then click apply and OK. And now once you're here, all you have to do, just type here task manager. Now go to memory, you will find like that, click memory to see applications that takes your memory like Google Chrome. Right click on it and then click end task, and after that just try again, and I hope that can help you to fix your problem. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.